Hi everyone, my name is Rishit. Today is the 14th of October 2024. I'll be going over my weekly prediction for Bitcoin. As usual, I'll be going over the monthly, weekly, and finally the daily charts. And then I'll switch over to the Excel sheet where we'll review last week's prediction and go over this one in more detail. But before getting into this video, it is important to make the disclaimer that all information here is completely educational. And therefore, it is important to conduct your own analysis, whatever analysis that may be, to ensure that you're comfortable with the risk, reward, and trading style, since you may not be with mine. Let me reiterate, this is not a trading guide or an investing guide. It is simply a log of my predictions with their rationale. But with that out of the way, monthly charts for Bitcoin, as we have seen, have been in the recent half year, 6 or 7 months, have been actually downward sloping. And we can see this illustrated by this trend line here. Volume completely diverging as well, not confirming this upwards movement that we had for a while. In fact, even the upward move was not confirmed by volume at all. RSI is now starting to decline, but overarchingly it supports the price action that we're seeing. And the MACD still says we are bullish. However, we can see from the histogram that the distance between the two averages is decreasing, meaning that it's a slowing uptrend, which is exactly what we're seeing in the price action. So overall, all the indicators and the price action are telling us that the uptrend is completely slowing down, and either we need to see a huge breakout with high volume to confirm this continuation, or we should expect a downwards movement in Bitcoin. Now, similarly, weekly charts, we can see even clearer how this downward trend looks like in the recent past. RSI is crashing. I mean, we can see this even more clearly as the MACD as well. Although the histogram is actually pointing towards maybe a breakout upwards or a crossover, we do need to watch out since that is what we have as of now. Similarly, daily charts here, I've just these two boxes, by the way, are just kind of levels that I've put so that if it does break, then we will initiate a buy or sell. So don't worry about these, or because we should reasonably expect that it goes up to this much or that much based on the price levels. But the day charts kind of show the same thing. We've been in this sideways pattern for the last kind of week or two, and we do need to see a breakout. Overarchingly, there's a downtrend. However, in the short term, very short term actually, we can see that there has been an upwards pullback. And we do need, if we want to see if we should expect a breakout, we do need to at minimum see a breakout above this trend line, and ideally above the recent swing high. So we can be sure that the market is going. We can confirm whether the market is going in the right direction. And now let's move over to the Excel sheet. So last week we didn't have a signal. This week we'll buy when it crosses 64,106.75 and sell when it falls below 59,815.56 with trailing stop loss. If neither the stop loss or target are hit, then again, this right now doesn't have a concrete target or stop loss. I do need to feel it out a little bit more to set effective targets. But if we are in a position and if neither are hit according to my judgment, we will close on Friday. The weekly trend is up as of now. To be fair, the monthly trend is down and the weekly trend is also down actually. And that's all for this video. Thank you for watching. Enjoy, and I will see you in the next video.